Hey everyone, and welcome back.
I'm Lizzie.
And I'm Faye.
And today we're going to be sharing with you our top events happening this weekend in Tampa Bay.
Before we get started, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on all of our socials. Are you ready?
Yep.
First up, we have the National Pediatric Cancer Foundation virtual walk. Get your friends and family together to walk, run, or roll now until April 30th.
Next up, we have the Grow in Us campaign with Growth Financial and New York Pizza. They'll be giving away a free Cuban pizza at both their Ybor locations and Riverview.
Yum. Next, we have Taco Takeover. Between April 20th and May 4th, you can go to participating locations like Taco Dirty, Muchachas, and a ton more where you can get amazing taco specials.
Back in town is the Florida State Fair, so make sure you bring your friends and family for some awesome funnel cakes, some fun rides, and a good time.
And lastly, if you have a sweet tooth, make sure you head to Hyde Park Village to go to the Cake Drip, where you can build your own chocolate bar, take the best Instagram pictures, and so much more. And that is all we have for you today. Make sure you follow us on Facebook,
Instagram,
Twitter,
YouTube,
TikTok,
Pinterest,
and our city guides.
Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next week.